Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making a club sandwich. Typically known as chicken and lettuce under bacon, this is a new take on the club sandwich using turkey. This is super easy to make and satisfies any hunger cravings you may have. So, let's get started. Alright, so for our ingredients, we're going to need 4 slices of bacon, 3 white bread slices, 3 to 4 tablespoons of Miracle Whip, about 3 to 5 leafy lettuce leaves, 2 to 4 tomato slices, and you'll just need 1 large tomato for that. 4 slices of oven roasted turkey. 4 slices of honey ham. 1 slice of Colby Jack cheese. 1 tablespoon of butter, softened to room temperature. And some black pepper and salt to taste. So one thing that makes this great for a lunch option is how quick it is to make. So you want to start off by cooking your bacon in a large skillet until all the slices are golden brown and crispy. And so while we're frying our bacon, this would be the perfect time to fry that like button too for the channel. It really helps boost that good old YouTube algorithm, and your support really does mean the world to me, so I appreciate in advance for you guys pushing the like button for me. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button to see more recipes like this one, and stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of an amazing recipe for next week. So now that our bacon is nice and fried, you want to remove it from the pan, and we can start working on our tomato slices. And all you need for that is 1 large tomato and a sharp knife. You just want to thinly slice some tomato slices for our sandwich. Moving on to the bread, I've lightly toasted 3 bread slices in a toaster, and now you want to lightly butter each slice of bread. And the middle bread slice, you want to butter on both sides. Now on to the fun part, assembling the sandwich. So to start things off, you want to spread your Miracle Whip on one side of the first toasted bread slice. And you're only going to need about 1 tablespoon's worth of Miracle Whip per side of the toasted bread. Next, you want to lay the lettuce as well as 2 tomato slices on top and season those with a light dusting of salt and black pepper. Next, place all of your bacon followed by your folded ham slices. Next up, spread the Miracle Whip on both sides of the second slice of bread and place this on top of the sandwich. And it's here where we're going to repeat another layer of tomato, a sprinkling of salt and black pepper, followed by folded turkey slices, as well as your Colby Jack cheese slice. Finally, cover the third slice of toasted bread with the Miracle Whip facing down, closing the sandwich. Insert cocktail sticks or really long toothpicks into the 4 corners of the sandwich to hold it together. And using a serrated knife, you want to cut the sandwich diagonally into 4 triangular pieces. And with that, you're ready to serve this sandwich alongside your favorite bag of chips and enjoy. And just like that, you've made a club sandwich right at home. This is definitely one of my go-tos for lunch. So quick to make, and it's absolutely delicious. You can also try substituting the turkey for chicken slices for a more authentic club sandwich. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on the screen for more information on that as well. Well, I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button for me. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And sharing is caring, so if you've enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week, where I show you to make this amazing roasted chicken recipe with a special announcement in the video towards the end that I can't wait to share with you all. Well, thank you all so much for watching again. I truly do appreciate it. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.